Ladies and gentlemen, fire. In our life, we need 3 fires. We light the first fire when we are cold. Cold. We pull up a chair, take off our socks, and warm our feet. We light the second fire when we are hungry. Hungry. We take a pot, fill it with water, throw in potatoes, carrots, onions, whatever we have, and cook a soup. We light the third fire when we are desperate. Because we sit in the dark, and who knows when it will go away. When our neighbors are cold, we send them the first fire. When our neighbors are hungry, we send them the second fire. When our neighbors are desperate, we send them the third fire. But then,